thank you, World of Water Action Forum, for giving me this opportunity to speak on one of the key topic of today's world, which is distribution. So, without much delay, I will be just going into the session. So, I generally design my topics saying that questioning ourselves: Are we designing an efficient water distribution system? So let's see what are all the components of the water distribution system and how we can make it more efficient, and what are the modern technologies which is available in order to make this distribution system more efficient. So today, the next 25 minutes, I will go through the types of water distribution network which you come across in global scenarios. And then you also will see the troubles of a water distribution network, predominantly when you see gravity and pumping. Then I'm going to introduce you a point called critical points in a distribution network, and what is its importance when you're talking about modern technology in today's distribution world. And then I'm going to introduce to everyone the topic called 24 bar 7 proportional pressure concept, and it is facilitated with the residual pressure monitoring at critical points. So then optimized use of pumps in water distribution, and last but not least, whether the direct pumping concept will be suitable for Indian distribution network. I want to introduce again the term called non-revenue water. So it is very, I think many of us would not have heard about this term called non-revenue water. But though we are using a lot of distribution networks day in and day out for our water consumption and all those things, but when you see globally, I think India stands first in this non-revenue water. What is this non-revenue water? Say, for example, you are supplying 100 liters of water. Just for understanding, I'm saying it in liters. Otherwise, it will be all in MLD and when you are supplying 100 liters of water, that is treated water for consumption through distribution network, in that if we are accountable for only 50 liters and the rest 50 liters you're not getting paid for, or you don't know where it goes and all those things. So that is called non-revenue water. That is, the supplying authority is not generating any revenue for that 50 liters which they are supplying it in the system. It is not necessarily that it is going to be theft or something like that, but predominantly this will be losses, leakage losses, transmission losses, and maybe losses at the source, losses at the consumer end. There are many such criterias which could give this non-revenue water. You can see here the pink. I will take the, yeah, highlighter. So here you can see the pink table where it actually explains about the non-revenue water, and for which there is a comparison which I have given with developed and developing nations, and it is a little old one which is taken from the Asian Development Bank. It is of 2016. So India stands first. We have 50% non-revenue water, and I'm sure this has improved a little bit. Today, the average non-revenue water across our major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai, Bangalore. So if you see, it is going to be around 40 percentage. So that is going to be our non-revenue water. And predominantly in India, we are supplying water through gravity means, or in a very short percentage. I mean, very short percentage covers with pumped direct pumping networks. So today, this particular concept only deals with direct pumping, and that is what I'm going to explain in coming slides.